Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so on this channel today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this fondant crown without any serious tool. You don't need a mold, you don't need a cutter, you don't need basically freehand, or yeah, you can use a round cutter, or you can use any round thing you have, maybe the round cover of something or a round thing basically. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. It's very simple, very elegant, and very pretty. Okay, so let's get started. This crown will take you maximum 20 minutes to make. 20 minutes is a lot. 15 minutes, make that 15 minutes. Okay, so we're starting with this my gum paste that I already made. And I made this gum paste out of like remnant fondant that I had just lying around. So if you want to see how I repurpose my remnant fondant, I'm going to put the card right up here. It says click on me. Yeah, click on that. Okay, so I made that remnant fondant into gum paste, and you can see how I make this gum paste. This gum paste firms up in less than 2 hours, and I like to use it usually when I forget to make the accessories on my cakes the day before and I need to make it that morning so it can firm up. I like to use this gum paste recipe because it firms up so fast and so nicely. So you should check that out. I'm going to put the link right up here. It says click on me. Yeah, make sure to click on that as well. Okay, so what you want to do is roll out a piece of gum paste, like roll it out flat. Don't make it too flat because you need it to have enough body to be able to hold its own. Yeah, okay, so roll it out and then cut out the jagged edges so you can have like really nice smooth edges, yeah, on both sides. So once you are done, the next thing you want to do is to take a round cutter. You can use a round cutter, or you can use the cover of a tin, or you can even use a tin. Just to take something that has like a round edge and is sharp enough. That's what we're going to be using to form the shape of our crown today. Okay guys, so once you roll out a log like this, like basically like a strip of gum paste like this, so you want to take your round cutter, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So you want to take a round cutter that is not too big and not too small. So mark the middle of your strip basically, and then in that middle try to cut out semicircles on both sides of that middle. You're not cutting out that middle, if you get what I mean. You're cutting out semicircles on both sides. So now that you've cut out one, you want to go on the other side and cut out another semicircle. So this is going to form the middle of your crown. So you're going to use this middle to trace the remaining sides of your crown so you can have a perfect crown. So once you're done with this middle, then you want to go ahead with the other sides of the crown and cut out semicircles as well. But when you're doing this, you want to make sure you're tapering downward. So like the middle is taller than the sides. I don't know if that makes sense. Look at what I'm doing. I'm tapering downward from the middle, so the middle is taller than the sides of the crown. So the further I go to the sides, the smaller it gets, if that makes sense. I don't know if you understand my English, but you get. Look at what I'm doing. Like it is tapering to the end. Yeah, that way the middle is a lot taller than the sides. You have a crown that is standing tall in the middle and tapers down backwards to the back. That's what we're trying to make today. So once you're done, you want to take your remnant gum paste and take it and wrap it in a cling film so you can use it another day. Yeah, this gum paste firms up really fast. So one of the things you have to make sure you do is once you remove some parts of it, you want to cover it up immediately with cling film so you don't waste it. Okay, so you want to take a plastic that is big enough, or a container, and you want to wrap your gum paste around it so it can form that shape, that round shape, because like the crown should form like a round shape in the middle. So you want to take your edible glue and then glue the ends together. That's what you want to do. And if you want to see the recipe for my edible glue, I'm going to put the card right up here. It says click on me. It is made out of CMC, or you can make it out of remnant wafer paper as well, and it is wonderful for gluing sugar paste, for gluing fondant, for gluing wafer paper or sugar paper. It is not too sticky and it is not too runny. It is a wonderful consistency for gluing. So once you have this, you're going to take it and leave it for 30 minutes, and it's going to firm up like this. You're going to leave it for 30 minutes before removing the bucket or your container, of course, so it can firm up firmly and nicely. So after like 30 minutes, 1 hour, then you're going to remove your container and it can stand on its own. You can even lift it and it will be okay. Can you see? Yeah, so that's what you want to do. It is very nice and very firm and just a perfect, wonderful crown. Okay, so once you are done with that and it is firm, you want to take some chocolate balls and we're going to stick some chocolate balls on top with chocolate. So now our crown is firm, so you want to take some chocolate balls and put it in a separate plate beside it, and then take some chocolate, whether you're using dark chocolate or white chocolate, it doesn't really matter, because we're going to be painting this crown gold, so it's going to be covering any other color difference there is around or on top of it. So you want to take your chocolate, some chocolate, and put it in the microwave, and then once it melts, you want to take it out, yes, and then you want to use your brush to be able to apply it, so you can use it to glue on top of your crown. So that's what we're going to be doing next. So let's get started. So we're going to take our brush, yes, I'm sorry about this movement, like this thing wasn't well positioned, so I had to be moving it. Sorry guys. And I didn't really notice on time until I was done filming, and I couldn't like maybe film again or not upload the video. Like that'd be a waste, because it's a great video and to help someone. Okay, so guys, what you want to do is take your brush and then touch the chocolate and use it to touch the top of the crown, and then you're going to stick your chocolate balls on top of it. So this might be a little bit difficult to do because chocolate takes around maybe 15 seconds to firm up, but once it firms up, it's already firm. But if you have one of those like freeze sprays, edible freeze sprays, they use it to firm up instantly, but it's kind of expensive, so I didn't buy it. So you know, so you just have to take your time so you can stick the chocolate balls on top of it, because it gives it some dimension and makes it look more like a crown, unlike if you just paint it like this. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of minutes. In the meantime, guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, guys, come on, I have more than 200 different tutorials for you on this channel, and I post every day, like every day. It's a lot of work, but I post every day for you guys. I have amazing tutorials here for you guys to watch and for you to learn from. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification, so that when I post something new, you get to see it, you get to like get notified and go watch it, because it might be very useful to you, especially if you're just starting out, or maybe you're an intermediate cake decorator. Even if you're a professional, I have amazing tips for you on this channel. So aside that, please make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. Like, give me a thumbs up right now. The reason is because when you give me a thumbs up, like, YouTube shows it to more people, so like the video gets to go even farther. So please make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. So moving on, as you can see, I'm kind of struggling to as I'm sticking one, I'm using my finger to touch the other one to fall off. So this can be a little tricky if you don't have one of those freeze sprays. So you want to take your time and like stick it on, but once it sticks on, it's going to stay in that position. I'm not kidding, because chocolate firms up really hard. So once it sticks on, it's going to stay in that position, so you don't have to be afraid to fall off. So the next thing you want to do is paint. So I'm going to take my edible gold dust, and I already mixed it with some vodka and then some of my brush, and then I'm going to start to paint it. So you want to go around and paint it uniformly. And sometimes like the paint is, so if you buy a good paint like this one, you can paint it in one, like you don't have to paint it twice and wait for it to dry and anything, and it to be nice. So if you want to see like how to buy this edible gold paint that I use, I'm going to leave the link for you guys in the description box below. It is very nice and very pigmented, like it is amazing. And I also left a link for you to buy some of my favorite cake tools that make my life easy as a self-taught cake decorator, in case you'd like to check them out and buy some of them, in case they might be useful to you. So this is my gold crown after I finished painting it. See how nice and seamless and wonderful it is, like so nice, and it will like make any cake look pretty. And so I hope you like it. Like I kind of did a poll on Instagram about this crown, because the day I made this video for you guys, I made 2 different crowns. So make sure to check out this other crown that I made with a mold. Yes, you can use any mold that you have at home, any long mold that you have at home to make it. I showed you guys how to make that. So most people kind of prefer the simple crown to the elaborate one. Anyways, let me know which one you prefer in the comment section below. Thank you guys for always watching, and thank you for subscribing, for liking this video, and for encouraging me and stuff. Thank you, and I will see you in my future tutorials. Bye.